Hi guys, Chrissy here with Minovet.com. Today we are doing a hair bow pictorial. What is a pictorial, you ask? Well, it is my version of a how-to video with pictures, possibly some videos, but all coming from my stories on my Facebook and Instagram pages. Guys, take the time to follow me there. Facebook and Instagram usually get these stories first. Sometimes they don't even make it to YouTube. So if you want to get that info and never miss out on a video or a pictorial, make sure you guys follow me there. Make sure you subscribe here. Keep up with me on YouTube, guys. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and also hit that bell to make sure that you're the first to know when new footage drops. Let's get to this video. Today's bow will be a 4-set bow. We did a poll on our Instagram stories and you guys chose to do a brown set next, so we're doing a brown set with a giraffe print. One of the bows will have a satin ribbon headband because we want to save that baby hair. There is no step-by-step on how to make the headband, but comment below and let me know if you guys want to see that video. Here are the pieces of the bow before the assembly. There are 4 pieces, 2 pinwheels, spikes, and a topper bow. Here's a closer look at those pieces, also including the ribbon for the center strand and the clip. We are going to start off by placing a dab of glue right on the center of your base bow. Then go ahead and take that second and smaller pinwheel, center it, press it right on down in the middle and make sure that it's secure. Now complete those same exact steps with your spikes. Make sure they are lined up and centered. And again with your top bow, make sure it's straight. Glue, center, and press it all the way down. Now for this hair clip, flip your bow over, give yourself a straight line across the center of the bow, just long enough for the clip to sit on. Then you know what to do. We've already glued, so center and press it on down. Now we're going to tie everything together with our center ribbon. Attach that center ribbon to the front, right up front with glue, and make sure you heat seal that in first. Starting in the front gives you an extra half of a turn that secures the bow to the clip even more. Then flip the bow over and mark a line where you want to put the glue because you have to go up under that prong. Your line of glue should look something like this. Make sure you hold on to that clip because if you let it go, you'll glue everything together. And then hurry and put that ribbon right along that line of glue up under the prong, and it should look something like this. Flip the bow over, give yourself another dot of glue right on the center front, and go ahead and press your ribbon down once again. And make sure that you're pulling that center ribbon tight all the way around. We don't want any loose bows. Now we are back on the back. You're going to go ahead and trim your ribbon slightly over center. You're going to heat seal that in so it doesn't fray on you. And then we are going to glue, center, and press for the last time. Now the back of your bow should look something like this, and you should be able to open and close your clip freely with no holdups. And we are all done. Look how awesome this bow came out with just those few simple steps. Obviously, this isn't a full step-by-step tutorial, but if you are already a bow maker and you just wanted to get a new design or you wanted to see how I put these bows together and you already know the basics, this video was perfect for you. If you are a newbie and you would love to see how I made each part of this bow, then like this video, of course subscribe and drop a comment below letting me know what you would like to see me create. Again, this was made with 2 pinwheel bows, a 5.5 inch, a 5 inch, a 4-inch spike, and a 3.5 inch bow tie right in the middle. I can show you guys how to make this, but let me know what you would like to see. Again, take the time to subscribe to everything you see here. Anything that you see on this site is for sale, some in my ready to ship shop. Everything else can be custom order. You can check me out on Minovet.com, all social media at Simply Minovet, here on Google and YouTube at Minovet-Simply Mino, and I would love to hear from you guys. I follow back, I also support, so let's grow together, guys. Thank you so much for allowing me to take a few minutes to show you what I do. Have a great day. Happy vlogging.